You know what? He's no longer interested in sport the way he used to be. But I think if you really if there's a big match and he'll watch soccer or rugby or even the South African cricket team. He loves competitiveness and he loves South Africans competing. So if there's really something interesting happening, you'll present it to him and then he'll decide whether he wants to watch it or not. I think boxing also. I mean, I remember waking up in the middle of the night one year to watch a big what do you say, a big match, a big boxing match somewhere with him. So I don't think he's. I don't think right now where he is in his life, he's got a lot of interest in sport. But if there's an important game, he'll watch it. Yes, we actually watched it with Morgan Freeman when he was in South Africa. Um, and I think he was quite surprised that he was portrayed or to see himself being portrayed in that way. He really liked it.